Want a total bathroom upgrade in Youngstown, Ohio? We bring licensed pros, stunning designs, and fast turnaround right to your home. From tub to shower conversions and walk-in shower installs to vanity upgrades and modern toilet replacements, we handle it all with expert care and licensed craftsmanship. Want more comfort and luxury? We offer heated floors, tile backsplashes, ventilation upgrades, and accessibility enhancements that make every bathroom feel brand new. Based in Youngstown, Ohio, our local team knows your style and your code requirements. From our initial discussions, we help with design, material selection, and permits, through to fast, efficient installation by our licensed, professional team. Call us today at 877-693-5731 for a prompt consultation in Youngstown, Ohio or surrounding area. Let's turn your dream bathroom into reality. Fast.